Alright, we got an unboxing video here. New offering from Crocs. These are the Crocs Echo Waves in Moth colorway. They only have two colors to choose from right now. Is the Moth and the Rust. And I went with the Moth. And I sized down, I went to an 11. They had accidentally released these like a month ago. And there were a couple YouTubers that were able to acquire them before they pulled them from the website. And the one video I watched, they had gotten them in the rust color and I didn't really like it too much. And he went true to size, he went with the 12 and they were big. So based on that information, I got the Moth in an 11. You can see that there's like some webbing. It looks like the glue. I'll have to try to clean that out with a Q-tip or something. Has the Echo insole. Yeah, that gluing's a little sloppy. I might have to exchange these for a different pair. Regardless, we'll throw them on foot, see how the 11s fit. This one's a little cleaner. They look pretty nice though. I like the design. We'll throw them on foot, see how they fit. Clean those pockets out a little bit. I just used a Phillips screwdriver and just scraped it out. It kind of came out. They probably just used too much glue on this one. There was a little bit along the bottom there too I had to scrape off. There's still some in the pocket on the other side, but it's not too bad. It's just like a skin. So I'll keep working on it and get it out. Maybe get a pair of tweezers or something and pull out the remnants. So it is salvageable. If yours comes with some excess glue, you can just scrape it out. The foam's resilient enough that it can take a little abrasion. Whatever tool you use, I probably won't use a blade though. Alright, I believe these retail for like $69 or $70 on the website. I finally started a Crocs Club account and got 15% off discount, so I used that and got them for, I think I paid like $58 for them, which isn't bad. They do fit pretty nice. They're a little loose around the top of the foot here. You definitely want to size down, because even sizing down I still have a lot of space, but my toe is like right at the end, so I want to go down another size, and 12 would be too big. So the 11s are all right. These aren't too bad. I don't know if they would benefit from having a heel strap on them or not. They're very casual in their fit. I mean, it holds. Let me walk around with it a little bit. So these have a rather loose fit to them. The length isn't bad. Downsizing, I've got a little bit of toe room at the end to where my toes aren't pressed up against the end. but you can see there was a lot of play in the back, and as far up this is cut, there's really not much locking it in. So these are very, very casual fit. Basically just like a non-sport mode Croc. I almost wish they had a heel strap to it to keep it locked into the foot. They're very comfortable with the Echo sole to them, but they're just a little loosey-goosey, I guess you could say. So for like a warm weather Mule or Clog, they're not a bad option. But I don't know, I just wish either this was maybe cut up a little more, like right here, like your standard Croc. I don't know, just it might be relative. I don't know. Maybe if it was cut in just a little more, or if it had the heel strap to it, but that would mess up the aesthetics of it though. I mean, the aesthetics are really nice. I really like how it looks. And the Echo insole is comfortable. And they're not bad. There's some ergonomic contours to the toe area, which I'm not sure if it lines up properly with my toes. I feel it rise a little bit right at the end. And then my toes are kind of right there. They're not pressing up against it, but this is a model that would benefit from a half size, that's for sure. So I don't know. This definitely isn't my favorite thing that Croc has come out with over the past year. They're not bad though. I'm not going to return them. I'll probably keep them. I'm just struggling to make an excuse to wear them, I guess you could say. I don't know. They're just not my favorite. Like, I feel like my toes need to be back a little more, but I can't go up a size. I can't go up to a 12 because those are way too big. But just where the contour is on the footbed, I feel like my toes are past where they need to be a little bit. Just the sizing is off a little bit. It would benefit from a half size. So they look nice. The Echo footbed is comfortable. Just the fit is off a little bit. So I don't know. I guess I'll wear them some more and see if they grow on me. Maybe doing a follow-up review on them in the future. We'll just keep this an unboxing and an on foot. A little tiny spider. So, Crocs Echo Wave and Moth. Kind of a miss. But we'll see. They might grow on me. I don't know if I would recommend them though. Maybe if you're on a whole size. And you can get like, I mean, if you wear like, I don't know. I don't want to give bad sizing advice. I'm glad I went down. I can't go up, but even going down, they feel like they're a little small. Like it just missed a little bit. Like I need a half size. I need a half inch to it. I need an 11 and a half, not an 11, and the 12s are too big. So what do you do in that situation, you know? All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Crocs Echo Wave. They're very casual. If you're looking for something real casual, kind of stylish, decent aesthetics to it. You like that Echo footbed. See if I can get the lighting in there so you can see the toe. There, you see how there's those ridges and stuff? There's that little main toe ridge, but then there's those little ones past it. I don't know if my toes are lining up where they need to be. It just doesn't feel like exact. It does not fit me like a glove, but they look cool at least. So I hate to do it. I think these are going back to Crocs. They just don't fit me very well. If you're on a half size, I think you're gonna run into the same issues. If you have a whole size though, you might be okay. Like if you wear an 11 and you get an 11, they might be all right. I basically wear an 11 and a half. And from what I've seen so far, the 12s are way too big and the 11s are a little small on my foot. My toes are kind of right at the end. My big toe, not so much, but my, it doesn't have as square of a toe box that I think some of the other Crocs do. So my other toes are kind of hitting the front of the Mule right here. It's just too loose right here. There's nothing to really hold my foot in place. So my foot's kind of sliding forward and my toes are hitting on the front here. So I don't know, it's just the way my foot is. Maybe if you have a wider foot, it'll fit in there better, but my foot being a little more narrower, it's loosey-goosey, it slops around. I need the strap on the back to hold it in place or something. I don't know, I just don't really care for the fit. Comfort's there with the Echo footbed, but they just don't fit my feet very well, and I'm not gonna keep them at this point. So I'll get my money back. Disappointed. I really wanted to like these too. I was excited to get them, but hey, not every shoe fits.